Alright, welcome back guys. I hope you guys had a fun and restful break. Today we're going to do a couple of things. The first thing that we're going to do is you're going to see the seating chart pop up on the screen. Make sure you find your iPad number. The iPads have all been erased, so what you need to do today is re-sign in to Google Classroom. When you go to get Wi-Fi, you can use either BPS Student or BPS Wireless. If you use BPS Wireless, you need to, in the little pop-up window that says username and password, just put in your number and your password. If that doesn't work, it might be because your password is expired. If so, then go back to the Wi-Fi settings and use BPS Student and use the generic Wi-Fi login credentials which are written on the board. Alright guys, so I'm just doing this really quick video that reminds you how to log into the Wi-Fi and also how to sign into Google Classroom. So the first thing that you're going to want to do on the home screen is you're going to want to take your finger anywhere in the middle of the screen, not on an app, and just slide down to get to the home screen, to the search screen. And then you're just going to start typing in settings because you need to go to settings to get Wi-Fi. And it's the gear, so you just tap on it, and then you need to go to the Wi-Fi tab. So on the Wi-Fi tab, if it's not highlighted blue, just press it. And then once you get there and let the networks load, choose BPS Student. Let it spin for a little while. And after it spins for a few minutes, you should get this screen that pops up. This is the login screen. And if you know your number and password, go ahead and use that as your username and password. If not, you can go ahead and type in 3091 student and then Croton1 with zeros for O's. Make sure you type it all in correctly. Student and 3091 are all together, no capitals, and Croton is not, there's no capitals as well. You just need to put those zeros in for O's. 1, and then submit, and hopefully you should be good to go. If you say success, you're good. Okay, so once you get Wi-Fi, you need to go back to the home screen, and then you're just going to go ahead and slide down to search again. Type in Classroom. And the app, the icon looks exactly like it does online. So you just tap on Classroom to open it. So once you get into Classroom, it's probably going to be logged into someone else. So in the upper left-hand corner, there'll be 3 little bars. And what you need to do is switch accounts. So you press those 3 bars and you'll see this little slide over menu that pops out. And you'll see the name of the person who signed in. And there's a little triangle. You want to press that little triangle, and then a little menu will drop down in the sidebar, and it'll say Manage Accounts all the way down at the bottom. So if you're not already in this list, you need to press that, and then in the menu that pops up, scroll all the way down, press Add Account. Okay, now once you do that, it's going to take you to the Google sign-in page. So once you get here, you want to type in your number at learn.brevardschools.org. And if you did all that correctly, it should take you to the Brevard Public Schools sign-in page. And one more time, you need to type in your number at learn.brevardschools.org, and then your password, and then tap sign in. And then once you sign in, you should see all of your classes. And then the last thing that you'll need to do is just press the little plus button, tap Join Class, and then enter the class code. The class code is up on the board. And after you type the class code and it loads, you should be able to see all assignments, announcements, questions, and anything else that's in my classroom stream. The second thing that I want to go over with you guys is just to remind you of the expectations of each of the 2 projects that we're working on. So the first one with Expressionism, when you're talking about craftsmanship, does your work have good quality of appearance and neatness? Creativity, how unique is your expressionist portrait? Composition, what principles of design, at least 2, did you use? Work habits, did you use your time wisely? And most importantly, did you seek assistance when needed? I can't help you if I don't know you're having trouble or just need some advice. And for street art, the rubric is nearly the same. I have made printouts of each one of these rubrics, so what I would like you to do when you complete your artwork is to get one of these from me and fill it out, an actual paper copy. Make sure you put your name and class on it, class code, and then turn those in with your drawing so that I can look at those. Alrighty, bye-bye.